Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brand new user account on your Mac. This is perfect if you want to share your computer with someone else, or just keep work and personal stuff separate. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings. If you're using an older Mac OS like Monterey or Big Sur, it may be called System Preferences. But the process is similar. Now scroll down the left-hand menu and click on Users and Groups. On the right side, you'll see a list of existing users. At the bottom, click the Add User button. It's the little plus plus icon. At this point, your Mac might ask you to enter your administrator password. Go ahead and do that to continue. Next, choose the type of user account you want to create. Administrator, full access to everything on the Mac. Standard, can use apps and change settings for their own account. Sharing only, limited to sharing files over the network. For most people, Standard is the safest option. Then, fill out the new account details. Enter a full name, a username, and choose a password. You can also add a hint in case the password is forgotten. Once that's all filled in, click Create User. That's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Mac. The next time you log out or restart your Mac, you'll see the option to switch between user accounts right on the login screen. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.